Nice. Nice. And we're going to touch the top of the tree. Nice. And down slow. That's it. Yep. Here we go again. Perfect. Good form. Yep. Use your legs to help you. Good. Good. Perfect form. Now you got it down. Yes, sir. Good job. And let's touch the top of the tree. Nice. And we go down slow. Yep. So we work on the negative and the positive. You got time for one more going up.
Okay.
Nice. 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 Let's touch the top. Almost there, Spartan. Come on. Nice. And we work on the negative as we go down. Excellent. Great. And now we come over to the sledgehammer. With good form. Perfect. And catch it on the return. Nice. 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 Boom. Yep. I can see your whole core being active. Try not to bend your back. Use the core, the hip, and your arms. You have time for 2 more. Control. 1, 2, and switch. Here we go. 1, 2, excellent. 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. 7, 8, 9, 10, give me 2 more. 1 more. 2, 1 more. 3, and time. Great work.